It's not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data they release says it's false. It meant to give us a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, the SEC set strict deadline for anybody, any of you beautiful hedgies who like to follow the law. Tomorrow is the final day to submit your application to get your Bitcoin ETF approved for January. December 29th, Friday, December 29th, is the deadline to get your final paperwork in to get your Bitcoin ETF approved in January. And I'm going to tell you guys something. More than likely, there's going to be a whole lot of applications that will be dropped tomorrow, hoping for a January Bitcoin ETF approval. And I tell you this, when these Bitcoin ETFs are approved, when they are up and running, I believe the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe even XRP will start to run. And I mean run really high. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto. I'm just telling you that when these Bitcoin ETFs are approved and they're up and running, they could have a very, very positive catalyst on the crypto market. And here's the other thing. The Bitcoin ETFs don't get to play that like-kind nonsense. When you take your money out, they have to give you in cash. They have to give you in cash. That was one of the prerequisites that the SEC required. The Bitcoin ETF entities were not too happy with that, but they know they're going to make so much money off the Bitcoin ETF that having to give that money back in cash, even though it probably cuts into their bottom line, it is small in comparison to the amount of money that I believe they're going to make from these Bitcoin ETFs. And based on their prior behavior over the last 30 months, I believe they're going to find a way to screw over retail investors and pension funds with these Bitcoin ETFs. I believe they'll be able to manipulate the price of Bitcoin, even though they probably can now because the whales can come in and buy a whole lot, sell a whole lot. But it's going to give them another level of control over the crypto market. And I don't think it's going to be great for retail investors in the long run. Because once these guys get new rules, they figure out ways how to manipulate it so they can take advantage of retail investors and pension funds. And I know people are going to tell me, no, you're always being negative when it comes to these bad guys. Well, yes, I'm always being negative when it comes to these bad guys because prior bad behavior is a very good indication of future bad behavior. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think these Bitcoin ETFs are going to help retail investors and pension funds? Or do you think they're going to find a way to use these Bitcoin ETFs to take advantage of retail investors and pension funds? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.